We are waiting on information from ICE, but the owner of that van says that the agents there had a photo of a man they were looking for, and that photo did not match anyone here.
Sir, do you know your rights?
A scene unfolding in a Winthrop neighborhood. Federal agents, some in masks and multiple unmarked vehicles, stopped a commercial van around 7:30 this morning and taking at least one man into custody.
And he was showing his ID and saying he has a wife and kids.
Nearby resident Scout Grafani shaken by what she saw.
And the face masks were disconcerting as well. Just makes me feel uneasy as a civilian in the United States, seeing police officers who are supposed to be, protecting and serving, covering their faces. It made my heart start racing.
Videos show and witnesses tell us the agents appeared to be with the DEA and Homeland Security. The owner of the van tells us agents took 2 employees into custody. He says one has a legal permit to work and a driver's license. The other has been going through the asylum process. He also says the agents had a photo of an alleged criminal they were looking for, but it did not match anyone here.
Stop hunting people and just work on immigration reform.
Some Winthrop residents support ICE action to remove immigrants living here illegally, while others say those living peacefully should not be targeted.
They've created whole communities and they're just ripping them apart.
Yeah, and families.
It's unclear why the men were taken into custody, but the incident leaving some unnerved.
It's intense. I mean, I just hope that he gets the due process that he deserves and that he gets to go in front of a judge.
The owner of the van also says that before any of this happened, agents showed up at his home, again with the photo of the person they were looking for. He showed them his driver's license, but that apparently was not good enough. He then dug out his U.S. passport, which seemed to appease those federal agents. We have reached out to ICE, but have not yet heard back. Live in Winthrop, Sarah Conji, WCVB News Center 5. Wow.